What's the right limb on that side going to be?
What is particularly exciting for my role as a human orthopedic surgeon, specifically in the area of orthobiologics, regenerative medicine, stem cell therapy, and so forth, is that we now have a ability to collaborate with a clinical institution, the TMI, the Translational Medicine Institute. And what I've learned along the way is that the same problems that I have in my own patients, whether it be professional athletes or just an individual who wants to remain active, the veterinary world has the exact same problems. And what is really even more fascinating is that when we take the regulatory environment, for example, which requires this type of predicate work, starting in the laboratory, moving through animal models, preclinical work, before we can even get to the human, we can stop for a minute, take a deep breath, deliver it to the veterinary world, and bridging that gap is what I think is so unique about this collaborative relationship.
TMI can become the point of inflection that this field needs, because we've been making progress for almost 2 decades now in developing these new technologies, and we've made some progress, and it's very exciting, and we've done experiments and we get very interesting results. But to turn that around into a new medicine for veterinary and human applications that can be widely available requires that point of inflection. So when we need to do those large animal studies to prove the concepts that we've come up with, there's no place else in the world that we can do that as well as we can do it here at TMI. There's no doubt about that.
Each of us bring value additions, if you will, in the area of science and clinical medicine that you can't get anywhere else, and we're not stepping on each other's toes, but we're building a much bigger enterprise collectively.
I've had the opportunity to visit quite a few equine research centres around the world, and there's nothing that compares to this. The capacity to do amazing things and develop amazing new therapies will be unmatched, literally unmatched anywhere else in the world, I think.